Hello there. The government of Meghalaya has launched the Chief Minister's E-Championship Challenge for the most promising entrepreneurs of the state. If you have an innovation-based business or are an early-stage enterprise, Prime will assist and support you and help you with your challenges to get your business to the next level while participating in Prime's 9-month incubation program.
Rewards and benefits. Top 50 selected entrepreneurs will receive the following benefits. Business support grant ₹2 lakh for top 25 and ₹1 lakh for bottom 25. Recognition certificate awarded from Meghalaya Government and IIM Calcutta Innovation Park. Dedicated one-on-one mentoring with seasoned industry experts and professionals to guide and handhold the entrepreneurs.
Capacity building, regular boot camps, trainings and workshops related to entrepreneurial development in order to build a sustainable and growth-oriented business. Access to funding opportunities available under Prime such as grants, loans, capital ventures, etc. Access to markets, connect to buyers in and outside Meghalaya.
Free co-working spaces. Incubators are offered the benefits of co-working spaces in the vibrant Prime hubs at Shillong and Tura. Visibility and networking. Prime Hub has a strong network in both the local and national media as well as social media channels. Support on marketing and legal services. Assured assistance on a plethora of subjects such as logo designing, branding, accounting, website making, and legal advice on the establishment of your company.
Opportunity to collaborate with successful existing entrepreneurs of the state. Incubated startups will be eligible for startup tools. Exposure to global practices on entrepreneurship to the most promising startup during the incubation program. Bottom 50 will transition to the pre-incubation program subject to qualification.
The applicant should be an adult citizen of India. The applicant should be a domicile resident of Meghalaya. The applicant should have an existing business in Meghalaya and be able to show first traction or revenues.
The applicant should work on innovative and scalable business model, product, solution or processes that have potential to create employment opportunities in Meghalaya. In case if the applicant has an existing business or startup, then it should not be older than 6 years.
The Chief Minister's E-Championship Challenge 4.0. Build your innovative business and make yourself and Meghalaya shine. Apply now. Visit www.primemeghalaya.com/CMECC. Application closes on the 15th of September 2023. Contact us for more details. Get incubated at Prime and take your business to the next level.
Shibenta na kajingrake ya ka Meri Mati Meri Desh kabadai kabenta jong kajingrake azadi ka Amrit Mahatsaf ha kajingya lenti ka banyok san snam kajingyo la lut kari ha ka khatsau trek unailar arajar arpulai ka office jong ka District Urban Affairs Bhoi ringkat bat kanong po town committee ila penlong yakne ka program da ka bapun ko burom ya uwei na ki Pulit u helping stone nong se bam ko hedwar ublai ubala len lade ka jingem ha ka jing sya asiat harilom garo nalor ka jingpen ku buram yenu Pulit bala len lade bancakri kari bagajat benriau bala IT ka jingpen ku buram haga kurem ju ikong ti nongrum nakaliang ke District Urban Affairs lambat ka nong po town committee kila penlong ru ka jing thung dieng bat ka jing ya kejat banra ekalama lairong jokari hayo mulong lawan baneshim benta ka ni program da Raja Brahma project director ka DRDA bat kibe Habakran kini kesni Raja Brahma ulapan kynmaw baya kini kejing rakhe Meri Mati Meri Desh lapan long kerpang da kesorkar preng hagabau menteri rang ba ado keri Narendra Modi ukwa ban pen kynmaw kejing dan lade jong keri krau kibala len lade ban penyo kejing la lut keri bat kumjo yigitu keri uslor kibala len lade na kebenta kajat benriu hagini kejuk kesni nakliang ku Umling C&RD blok lembat ka dorbar snong dihar Kelayok ban rakhe ni kejuk ke program bat penkup buram yau alfayas kamdet bam ko hedwar ublei ude Pulit jong ke second MLP battalion ubalalan ela kejing em de benta keri bagajat menriau ha kejing ja ke bas ngosi harilom garo
do mincing to be tomorrow get along unde bro from local citizen belong public and non sacrifice Sisin na form in uniform, the dress is the call of duty firing line. Unjupe, unjupatha. Unpunbe, lo unsimbo, vale na juno. Nagadaw, no, the freedom of young Indian Sakane. You can now the long freedom 1947. You know, he not done with me in Bo the Lama. We celebrate with great honor for us. Tamba Hajibem Jomi kynmaw tam leadership jong central leadership in Gandhi or national leader the father nation. Belong to Kamat Rat the freedom movement or non-violence movement. The Jews the freedom fighter of fight for the freedom of India one day. Some set of leadership today Andre Nanaga Raspa Sane. Next year, the North of freedom fighter to me, long, same Jomi, inter same. Tungam and Sama, Kyanmaw, Bhoi, the freedom fighter. He had to stand with studio job. Near the freedom fighter, he was to the chapter. He had been Kundro, the local freedom fighter.